Hello everyone! Today I want to present something about the Felix Martin Hi-Fi and Movie Studio CRM group. About the company description, Felix Martin Hi-Fi and Movie Studio is a sole trader with a focus on retail and services of high quality and high prices entertainment electronics in and around Vienna. It was founded in 1975 with a headquarters in Vienna. Currently there are 21 persons employed, including Felix Martin himself. About the project vision statement, we provide a broad user base within Felix Martin Hi-Fi and Movie Studio with a faster, simple and more efficient way to provide optimal customer service, supporting the company's mission and respecting the customer being the central to all business operations. With our CRM solution, we support to optimally manage customer relationships, enabling a sustainable increase in sales by gaining new customers and to maintain good relationships to the suppliers. Our future-proof design is web-based and can be extended in future to using of mobile devices and tablets to access our solution from everywhere to reduce inconsistencies and cut costs further. In our project, we were working through the main objectives, additional objectives, and the non-goals, which are not part of the objectives. We were also working through the value-added chain diagram and figured out the processes included. This leads me to the EPCs, where we were working on the campaign handling, the customer request handling, the complaint management, the historical data analysis, the FAQ management, the appointment session tracking, and the customer supply data management. In our use case overview, you can see those mentioned processes too. In our implementation, we were focusing on 3 of those mentioned processes. First, I want to go to the background, the technical data. As hardware, we were provided by the University of Applied Science with single shared virtual machine. The software used was operating on a Windows server. The application server management was XAMPP, database server MySQL, web server Apache, the Win edition, and web server extension was PHP. The implementation is a web-based solution. This means it is easy to navigate. The information is saved on our servers, which means the computer space of the client isn't bogged down with too much data, and multiple users who are working on it are not disturbing each other. And as a bonus feature, no software installation is required on the client side. It is an open source based solution. This means through using MySQL and Apache web servers, there is no danger of vendor lock-in and also expensive software license uses. And the core features are simplicity and easy of use, the list-oriented visual overviews, and the support for business processes. So now, first I want to start with the contacts management, which is one of the 3 main implementations. Through contacts management, it is possible to be easily store and find contact information such as names, addresses, telephone numbers. This information is stored in our database and everyone from the company has access to it, and it is listed neatly in an overview. So, to mention it again, It is about maintaining company data, maintaining person data and address data, and searching contacts. The second implementation is the handling and tracking of email campaigns and newsletters. This allows the employee to use the existing contacts in the database to generate a campaign and to track it. It is also to say generating campaigns using the existing contacts, viewing campaigns, and verifying campaigns' success through using HTML and a JavaScript-based tracking option. The last implementation was the maintain and tracking appointments. This means a shared calendar helps keeping an overview about open tasks for all users, and this makes scheduling appointments with several persons much easier. The core features are add appointments, where you can select customer and employee, select category for appointment by colors. For example, red means urgent, yellow intermediate, and green is the update status. You can also edit appointments, delete appointments, search them, and sort appointments by different fields. Before I hand over to my awesome colleague Johannes Spickel, who shows you the implementation in detail, I want to continue to the lessons learned. What did we think we did quite well? First to mention is the communication in our subgroup. Whether online or personal, it was really a great communication. Then this discipline of project members, for example with meetings, deliveries or protocols, was very high. The mix of skill set of the project team members was very valuable, and also the implementation of new knowledge, for example PHP, Ajax, jQuery databases went quite well, and the usage of document sharing with Google Drive was really good too. What needs improvement? The communication with the supergroup, for example scheduling meetings and work packages, needs definitely some improvement, because it's really difficult with so many people to get everyone for some dates. Also the consideration about risks of using new technology or technology where skills have to be built up from scratch before, for example jQuery or Bootstrap, has to be improved as well. So now this is all from my side. Now we continue to our demo by Johannes Spickel.
Hello and welcome to this short presentation about the CRM toolset. Here we are at the main login page. We log in with admin, and here is the main page. On the left hand you see the menu bar. We have basically three tools. The first is manage data. The second one is a campaign management tool, and the third one is appointment management tool. So let's start by adding some new data. I click on the manage data button, and here I see three tables, in fact, divided with the tabs: companies, persons and addresses. Here you see the addresses. Let me add a new address. Okay, I say this is a new address. Let's edit this. So when we click add, now this new address is saved here. As you can see, we have a new entry, and to complete this we also add a new person, and this time we call him John Tester, and for us we give him, we don't enter every information, just later the email will be important. It's an external person, in our case we say add, and we can also see that this person is added. Of course, here it is sorted alphabetically. So now we added the person. Let's use this information in the next toolset where we actually create the email campaign. I click on add new campaign, and here in the title I say we have the special autumn special price. This is the campaign title, and will also be the subject of the email. We select several recipients. Here, this is one of my email addresses. I take a second one. This one I just created here for testing. We have now two email addresses selected. Could be, of course, several. And here we just add a simple content. Best prices, check our website. So that's it. And here we add tracking. We will see in a moment what this is. And then we press campaign. And as you can see already, this message indicates, which is pulled by Ajax, that both emails have been sent and the whole campaign has been processed successfully. I can already check that when I click on view campaigns here I see a list with the campaigns, and at the end I see the campaign we just did. Here I can see that to those both email addresses at this time an email has been sent. And when I check now, for example, this email box here I just created for testing, you see here that I already got a new email, best prices checkout, and at this point, let me refresh this. Still no one read the email. So I go here, I click on the email itself, and when I go now here and check again, as you can see here, we got the confirmation that the email has been read without any confirmation here. So how does it work? When we check the email, we see that there is a little image file which actually points to the web server at the university, and here this image is trying to load the file itself, the image file itself, remotely. This is a PHP file which recognizes the date and the time and our tracking code, and with the help of this information we can verify which user watched which mail at what time. This was the campaign tool. Now let's go to the third part, which is the appointment tool. When somebody wants to create a new appointment, he clicks on add new appointment. We click on the date. With the help of the date picker, let's say we have the date in the upcoming week, Wednesday the 25th, and also it's the 25th from 2 p.m. till 3 p.m. we have appointment, important meeting. And because it's important, we mark it red. We say, okay, the boss itself is involved and the client, Joe Zhang, and the appointment is in the office. If I can write it correctly. And then at maintain appointments, I can view the appointments, and as you can see here, an appointment marked red has been created in these tables. In this table I can search also just for location or any other term. And also this table is searchable. Of course, I can also delete and edit this message. That was a short overview about our CRM toolset. I hope you like it. Here you log out. Thank you and have a good day.